In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use image blocks tutorial. Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. Let's start inside your Squarespace site. Open the page you want to edit and enter edit mode. Click into a text area or any empty spot in your section to bring up the Fluid Engine controls. Then choose Add Block. From the block menu, pick Image. Place the image block where you want it on the grid. You'll see a placeholder appear with options. Click. Add an image. Here you can upload from your computer or choose an image from your library. Keep in mind there's a 20 MB limit per file. If you don't have an image handy, you can browse stock images directly within Squarespace, select one you like, and then confirm to add it. With the image in place, open the image settings and attach a link if you want the image to be clickable. You can link to a page on your site, an external URL, a file, or other options. Consider whether you want the link to open in a new tab, and remember that descriptive file names and alt text are helpful for accessibility and SEO. Head to the Design tab to control how your image fits inside its frame. Fit shows the entire image without cropping. It's great for logos or graphics that can't be cut off. Fill crops the image to match the container. It's ideal for full bleed visuals where you want strong edge-to-edge impact. You can switch between fit and fill at any time to see what looks best. Next, explore shape and aspect ratio. Shape lets you style the frame. Think standard rectangle or other stylistic treatments, while aspect ratios like 2:3 or 3:2 keep your images consistent across a section or grid. Tap back to return to your main design controls and toggle fit or fill again if needed until the composition feels right. If you need to change the image, go back to Content and select Add an image to replace it. You can upload a new file, pick from your library, or browse stock images. Select the image and confirm to update. On the canvas, drag the image block's handles to resize it. The Fluid Engine grid will help you align elements neatly. Use snapping to keep spacing consistent with nearby text or buttons. Reposition the block as needed to balance your layout. When you're happy with the look, take a quick moment to click through your call to action or any linked element to confirm everything behaves as expected. Finally, save your changes. That's it. Your image block is set up, styled, and linked in Squarespace 7.1 using Fluid Engine.